I didn't even almost kill anybody.
Dude, like,
it was.
I'm posting. Shut up! I'm posting.
Let the darkness take control.
What is up, Lambros? Lambro Steve here, new to the channel. That's Lamborghini Emma. She's driving the Lambo, and we are in sunny, beautiful Arizona. And why, you might ask? We're in coronavirus lockdown, and we decided to take a 1,200-mile trip.
Pretty much.
Yep, that's what we did. So it's a Thursday. It's April-ish, 23rd, I think. There's a huge protest / rally in Vegas with a bunch of car people, and there's a big radio show that invited us in the Trump Lambo to come to Vegas. So what did we do? We decided to come to Vegas. So we're in Arizona. We've been driving all day for probably about 12 and a half, 13 hours we've been driving. So we got about 2 hours left to get to Lake Havasu, because we're going to go hang out with my homeboy Lucas, who lives in Lake Havasu. We're going to grill some ribs and eat, have some fun. Then we get up in the morning, and we're going to finish our last couple hours into Vegas. And 2 o'clock tomorrow is when they start lining up. So it should be pretty cool. There's supposed to be thousands of cars lining Las Vegas Boulevard all the way back to the governor's mansion saying, "Open up Las Vegas!" So right now we're just, we hit Arizona. We started getting a little police activity. We've done pretty good. Emma has not got a ticket, right?
Nope, not yet.
No tickets. We haven't been pulled over. We've seen plenty of cops. And we've been averaging a pretty good speed. So I think we're catching up to a police officer, and when we start getting radar again, I'll probably throw the camera on. But check out the beautifulness of Arizona, of where we're at. Now the sun is directly in our eyes, but look at that. It is Arizona. We're in Arizona. Just taking it in. There's the sun for you. So we're driving west directly into the sun, and I don't know. We'll see what kind of shenanigans we get into tonight. Lucas is a 6'5", 350-pound linebacker type that could squash me like a pimple, and he cusses and drinks like a sailor, and wears the most ridiculous jewelry, rings, chains, and tattoos.
He's bad.
He's kind of bad to the bone, so I'll probably have him kill like a liberal or something. Like, maybe.
Have him cry first, we need gas.
We'll have him cry for some fuel, and then we'll kill him. We'll harvest their whatever they get from, I don't know, maybe we'll get some more liberal tears after they're gone. So anyway, stick around. We'll see if there's some action happening later. Okay, people, we're almost to Lake Havasu, and the sky is a rainbow. Emma, you're digging the sky? The sky is a rainbow.
Can you see it on there?
She says it is. I don't know.
Oh, you can't see it on there?
Yeah, you can see it. So, it's almost, what time is it? 7:30. We're about 50 minutes from our destination. It's been uneventful, other than Emma almost killing me.
I didn't kill anybody. I didn't even almost kill anybody.
Dude, like,
it was.
I'm posting. Shut up! I'm posting. I hate you.
Don't want to hear it.
Anyway, a different subject. I'm in the passenger seat, so I'm not driving. And I was posting to Facebook, and then I looked up, and we were were going in the back of a semi.
No, we were not.
And I had to grab the wheel and save our
I was
lives.
like, what are you doing?
I saved our lives.
No, you didn't. You didn't
Yes.
do nothing.
And she had no explanation for why. And she just kept looking at me like,
I was like, what is your...
And I'm like,
out while I was
you're
changing
about to
lanes.
hit the back of a semi. I almost ate cement. No, well, not cement, but I was eating the metal of the back of the semi. I was so close. Whew. Anyway, we're heading to Lucas's house. So we're in the kind of mountainous area of Arizona. We have lived through Emma's shenanigans of almost killing us. And we'll be back when we arrive. Okay, we made it and we met the neighbors.
I have a card. Yeah, I have a card.
Say hi to the neighbors. They're checking out the car.
I want a card.
We got the Trump Lambo on display. We're in Lake Havasu City. On the lake. Where's the lake, Luke?
It's
right there?
that way. And all
Nice,
the way around
this
it.
way.
We're on an island.
We're on an island. So we're going to go inside here and pass out. We'll be back. Okay, people, it's the next morning. I did not film the massive party that was here. It wasn't really a massive party, but there was a couple really hammered people, and it was too damn entertaining to waste. Like, I couldn't focus on my camera skills and filming that. But here we are. We're in Lake Havasu. This is crazy because back here last night it was pitch black, so you couldn't see what any of this is. But that's California. It's like 500 yards, like right in the middle of the water. There's California. And obviously we're in Arizona. So today's the day though. We're heading to Vegas. We'll be there 2 to 3 o'clock Vegas time. So Pacific time is the big protest that is happening. So I will post that in the next video. In the meantime, that's our travel video. You know, Emma almost killed me, but I survived. I made it here. Now, enjoy the beautiful sunrise. It's like 7 almost, 6:30, 7:30 here. It's almost 10, it's almost 8. It's almost 8 here, so. Beautiful out here, isn't it? It's also, I'm in shorts because it's already like 75 to 80 degrees out here, so. That's our travel day. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, turn on notifications. See you in the next video. Later.